Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to use flatnet's code to predict brain graph evolution prediction from a few training representative templates. This work is published and selected as oral presentation at Prime Workshop Yield in MICCAI Conference 2021. In order to start using flatnet, we first need to download PyTorch and other packages. Then, we can start the execution of our framework. First, you need to install PyTorch using this command. I used PyTorch version 1.4 for Python 3. Next, you also need to install other packages such as matplotlib and scikit-learn with the given commands. Next, you need to install other PyTorch-related packages such as torchscatter and torchsparse with the given commands. Finally, you can install our flatnet codes from our GitHub profile. Our framework's code consists of four main code components. First, the demo.py is the main code that implements data simulation, cross-validation, pre-processing, training, and testing functions. Next, preprocessing.py implements clustering and cluster-specific CBT generation. Next, training.py implements the training of n EvoGraphNet submodels with n cluster-specific CBTs. Finally, in the test.py, we implement the submodel selection and testing. After installing necessary packages, now we can take a look at how to successfully run a demo of our framework. To do so, first we have to install Anaconda for our implementations. Feel free to check Anaconda's website for necessary installation guidelines. Before installing necessary packages to our environment Anaconda, we have to create the environment. Here, I have created an environment called flatnet and installed all of the packages according to my previous instructions. After opening the terminal, first we have to activate the environment by this command. Next, we have to go to the directory that our code is placed. As you can see, we are now in the directory that our code is placed. Now, you can run our code using the command python demo.py. This command will run our code with default parameter values. To run the code with your preferences, you can adjust the parameters. You can check our GitHub page for the explanations of different parameters and how to use them. Here, as an example, let's run our code with non-defaulted stg and epoch value with this command. As you can see, our code is up and running. Thank you for listening and feel free to contact me via my given email in our GitHub page for further questions. For more details, you can check our YouTube video on our Basira Lab channel and you can check our code on GitHub by clicking the link down below.